Air conditioning Infinity 2003 G35. Same condenser. It was just removed to change the broken radiator core support and put back on. That's all what was done. And I think I remember when I did a recovery on this, it was low on refrigerant, and that was a month ago when I recovered the refrigerant on here. But we got an issue. We got 77 degrees coming out of the dash, I think it is. And look at our section line temperature, 48 degrees. So here's our section line. Here's where I'm taking the temperature. It's 48 degrees right here, but we have 77 degrees coming out of the dash. How can that be? That means your compressor is working. Our high sides, one set, it goes up and down because we have a thermal fan clutch, but our high side's working, our low side's working. We got cold. Take a look at superheat, subcooling, whatever, but we don't have cold coming out of the dash. We have a blend air door problem or a heater control flow problem. Whatever it is, it's a problem. And it has nothing to do with the air conditioning itself. And why can't I get this working? Oh, I just turned it off instead of on. That was not too bright. Okay, let's turn it back on. So, well, I can't show you on the graph because I shut it off instead of turn it on, but I'm taking temperature out right there. Let me see if I could unstick it. So I'm gonna say this is a problem with definitely blend air doors. Let me see if I could unstick it by making a move back and forth. So this person, obviously, now I see why the bodyman had all the windows down, because it's probably stank inside here and probably sweat because there was no air conditioning that was working. So the person, whoever drove this car, was really sweaty. So let's get some mode here. See, there's our mode. We're up at the face. There's no cool air hitting me in the face. Let me change the mode around. Put some RPMs up here. Let's go down to the feet. Switch to the feet. And switching to the feet. You want to check all your modes and rotate all your blend air door dampeners and everything like that. And sometimes things go wrong when you disconnect a battery. You're in an accident or in a body shop and they get disconnected, or jump started and the voltage went too high. It messes up with the body control module, power control, something that messes up with your actuators and finding and referencing where they're closed and open. So let's just simply go through a few modes here. It's on my feet. Now we're at feet and recovery. I can hear it there. I can see the paper moving right there. So let's go mode again. Now I'm at face. That's working. It's still like 70 some degrees. I can feel even a little bit of heat. Yeah, I actually feel heat hitting me out of here. So we are definitely got, because the motor is now getting hot and there's heat going through the blend air door. It's cooler over here. I actually got some cooling going over here, and I got heat coming over here. We got issues. Not part of the accident, but it would be nice if I could free something up or get something working for this person so they could have some cooling. What they didn't, it would be a good PR between the body shop and the customer if I could do a little something to get them some cooling and some relief. Okay, so we have it. Oh, let's, oh, well, my temperature went back. Oh, he had to jump start it. That's right. We had to put a battery back in. Let me get cooling. Let me see if I just found my problem. I smell something burning. I smell rubber. I shouldn't be smelling rubber. No. Let's get it back to see if I'm having an issue. Who's calling me? I could call that back. Okay, face mode again. So it's going to be coming out of here in a second. Here it comes. Feeling cooler. Leave my mistake inside my video. Since we had to jump start this and I killed the power, it reset my temperature, I think. Yeah, it's back, because it's back to 60 now. It's actually coming out cool now. So when I had a dead battery or almost dead battery and I killed the battery by giving some load on it, tried to turn on headlights, stuff like that, it actually reset and put my temperature back up. And see, 12 volt battery can do a lot of funny things to your AC. And now I went back in here and I reset the temperature and I went back down again and set it back down to 60. If you look up there, see here I'm going up. I had to do that twice. I already did that once. It was at 70 something before and I set it down. Gotta look back in this video that I didn't catch that after we put the battery jumper on the 12 volt battery charge. But we're working good now. And for sure I know the coolant is hot because I was getting hot air blowing out of here when it was adjusted up. All right, this person will be happy because now they have working AC, something they didn't have when they rolled this car into the shop from the accident. So they'll be happy about that, I hope. And let's see if I could get this thing down into, like, if it gets down to 30. I don't think this one will get down to 39. Let's see. My thing should be open now. We're down now 53 degrees right now. And job link, open up job link. It's going to connect to the gauges, connect to the gauges. We're 55 degrees out of the dash right now, 88 degrees right here. Superheat of 15, subcooling of 6. Oh, and I just confirmed the electric fan is working now. I wasn't getting an electric fan earlier, but now we're getting an electric fan, so that's all good. So this is good to go. And this customer will now have cooling, which they didn't have when they came into the shop. See you guys later.